Good evening, team. Good evening, guys. I'm so happy. The chords are on point. If you watched the previous video, I think you will see what I'm talking about. The chords are on point. We actually hit all the 6 numbers, the singles. If you watch that video from start to end, you will see what I mean. You know what? It actually gives me a light that ahead there is a light. We might be in the dark for now. It's okay, but the light is on the way. So guys, I'm just going to post the code today because I'm thinking some of you are going to work tomorrow. You need to see this video before you sleep, or yeah, because tomorrow maybe you're at work, some of you are going to school, so you won't have enough time to check the code. But this is what I'm going to do now. Let me write down my code. Okay, let me do the code. When I'm done, then I'm going to start presenting the code. 183 and 336. Yeah, guys, do you see this code? This is how it is. It's a long code. It's not like those ones which we, but it's the same. So we are going to do this together. Tomorrow is the 14th of October, and then yeah. So guys, another thing is guys, don't play UK49 with heart, or I can say by heart. Take this thing as a hobby. Play from as little as from 2 rand. There's someone who plays with 2 rand, then they hit jackpot. And don't rely on like pairing apps or what. Do your random pairing. As long as you are having the code broken, write down all those numbers down, then spot whatever you can think of, like put 3333, make 10 lines, take 10 rand, play with 1 rand. Trust me, you won't go wrong, because my numbers are always on point. You can check even my previous videos. You will see that there's always 4 to 5 or 6 numbers, or sometimes 7 numbers. I'm not perfect, but I'm also learning like you guys. It's just that I am putting all I have into this thing of predictions. I make sure that I predict, and I do research, and I'm also good in mathematics. That's the advantage. So yeah, let's go, guys. Let's go. We're going to say we're starting with the first chord on top, 106. Then we're going to say 10 plus 6, we get a 16. Remember guys, I know you guys, you skip the videos. That is why if you weren't skipping the videos, you could be far by now. 10 minus 6 equals to a 4. So these numbers did not come on tea time. These two, we didn't get one of them on tea. So remember to always spin your numbers. 4 is 40, 16 is a 19. Because look, an 8 came last on lunch, a 32 came now. So we are now remaining with the 16. That is why I'm saying the only alternative of 16 is 19. And then we didn't get any pair from this family, 4 or 40. So let's move on that. I hope we're done with the first chord. Then we go to the second one, which is 114. This one, we're going to say 11 plus 4 equals to a 15. Now that a 30 dropped, we are having an eye to know that tomorrow 15 must drop. Do you see how these numbers relate to each other? This is how the numbers relate. Because if you have to divide the 15, we'll get a 7.5, of which these two numbers have dropped. Can you see? So put down the 15. Then let's go. We're going to say 11, 4. Then we say 1 minus 14. We get a 13, which came, I think they didn't came during the day. So we'll focus on 31. And then a 26 didn't drop. So our main focus is going to be on these two. The reason why I'm saying 26 is because UK49, they multiply, subtract, add, and divide, and split and spin. This game is not like other games. You have to work hard, work very hard for this. Thank you very much. It's investing at the end of the day. One day is one day. So I'm going to say 1 plus 1 plus 4. We get a 6. A 6 dropped today, so we're going to focus on the 9th. A 9th dropped the last other day. It was on bonus. So if it's like that, the 12th is already dropped. It dropped today, so we're going to focus on the 9. Don't get confused. Check your time and analyze very well. Thank you very much. Let's go. Then we say 1 5 3 15 minus 3 equals to a 12. So now that a 12 dropped, we focus on the 21, because 12 dropped twice, so we'll focus on the 21. 21st, I mean. Cool. Then we go and say 1 5 3 15 plus 3 equals to 18, and 18 did drop, so there's also a 36. I don't know if this number has dropped yet. Then there's also a 9, but the 18 seems to be appearing so much here, so put 18 as one of your bankers, and 15, because I saw 15 was here on this other chord. So 15, 18, those are some of your bankers for tomorrow. Cool. And then we say 15 3. What do? We say 1 plus 5 is equals to a 6 plus 3 is equals to a 9. Do you see how I'm putting these numbers? I want it to be clear to you. You see, I'm just writing single. Then you take those singles, you write them down. Maybe it's going to be 12 or 13 numbers. Then you can as well take those 13 singles, put them on Play or any other app that you might use to play, or you do a random pair for yourself. It's an advantage. Thank you very much. Let's move. We're gonna say 183. Already with this chord, you can see there's an 18. So 18 is a nice number for tomorrow. It's hot though, but it's okay. 18 plus 3 equals to a 21. Now we are sure that a 21 is coming. I'm doing all these revisions so that you guys can spot the common denominator on these chords. Cool. So it's 183. We say 1 plus 8 is equals to a 9, plus 3 equals to a, let me see, equals to a 12. So this 12 is fire. But what they can do tomorrow, I don't know who's on the stage, because 12 now, I can see that 12 is making too much noise. You can just put it as 1 2. 2 must drop, a 1 must drop. 1 maybe on the bonus side, and then 2 inside, because 20 dropped today. So definitely sure that tomorrow is going to be one of those numbers must drop. And you know, there's another number that is dropping, but I'll give you at the end. And then we go to 3 3 6. This is the last chord. 33 plus 6. How much is that? It is a 39. I was also waiting for this number. 39. Okay. Then we go and say 3 3 6. 3 plus 3 plus 6 equals to a 12. So do you see this 12? This 12 will repeat either way. It's going to repeat. This 12 must repeat, because now I can see that the common numbers that I'm getting here is an 18, 12, and a 15. These numbers are on fire. Cool. Then I'm going to give you also the bankers. 25, 37, 38. You can pair with these numbers. For example, 18 is See, this is how I'm trying to illustrate to you guys to say, like, if you are doing a random pairing, you don't have to, because remember, this game is a predicted game. We cannot say this pairing is wrong. No, there's no pairing which is wrong. Any number can drop with any number. Remember this family for 37, 47, 25, 18. You see, this is just a random pairing of like 4 numbers from what you have got there. So for pairing side, guys, pair with what you have. Let me do the drawings, then we end the video. I don't want it to be so long because you guys have to rest tomorrow's work. And then let's do it like this. It's just like a graph. It's 106, 106, 114, 220, 153, 183, 336. Okay, this is very important in terms of spotting hidden numbers. For example, there you can see the 15. Guys, this is very accurate. You can see an 18. You see this 33, it came, but now we put it on the side. 22 can come with this 33. And then we do have a 20 has dropped. We do have a 10 there. Some other numbers we can cross, you know. So yeah, guys, hope to see you. When is that? Tomorrow's Monday. I'm not going to post anything. That is why I decided to post this video here with you guys, so you can be studying and practicing. Okay guys, I do have a group chat for WhatsApp where I share predictions, where I share codes, where I share some other secret ways of predicting, and especially this code. Someone asked, Coach, how do you create a code? You know, I always try to accommodate each and every comment. Someone will want Ghost Lotto, they want Mega Million, things like that. I always try because I've got passion in this thing. I've got passion in these things. Not like I'm doing it because I'm doing it as a hobby and as a passion. I know that there is gold, big one, coming very soon after the tunnel. So guys, gamble responsibly. Don't take the money for bread and gamble. If you don't have money for that particular day, skip the draw. It is okay. It's like someone doesn't have money for transport, for taxi. You can walk to work. You don't have to take money for transport and then you put it on gambling. No. When you have extra cash, for example 5 rand, 10 rand, use that to gamble. But if you don't have extra cash, don't gamble. Rather skip a day and practice and watch the videos. The next you catch up. Thank you very much. Good night, guys.